You want to speak English at home but don't know what to say. In this video, you will learn a easy English sentence for daily home conversation. This is part one, and today I will tell you the morning conversation. So, our first sentence is wake up. Second one is good morning. Third one is did you sleep well? Fourth one is time to get up. And fifth one is what's for breakfast. And sixth one is I am getting ready. This is our part two of daily English conversation with your family members. And this today I will tell you about family English conversation. So the first sentence is where are you going? Second one is I am studying right now. Third one is please help me. Fourth one is I will do it later. And the fifth one is don't worry. And sixth one is take care. This is our part 3 of English for home conversation. And today I will tell you some sentences which you can use while you are talking with your family members. So the first sentence is I am feeling hungry. And second one is please bring some water. And third one is the food is ready. And fourth one is it smells good. And fifth one is I will help you. And sixth one is let's eat together. Good luck guys, keep improving yourself and follow the page for such content.